Hey folks, today we are going to make guacamole. For a spicy guacamole, you will need a serrano pepper, lime juice, and avocado. For this recipe, I will be using a serrano pepper with the seeds, so note that this guacamole will come out spicy. Please check out my upcoming mild guacamole video if that's more to your liking. I will be using a mini food processor, and I'll link it or a comparable one below if interested. This recipe is extremely simple. Just place the ingredients in the food processor and blend until you reach your desired consistency. Some folks like their guacamole creamy and some like it chunky, or you can have it anywhere in between. As you all know, guacamole is great. It can be used in many different ways, such as a dip, dressing, and sandwich spread. Enjoy! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the description box below.